Alright, good evening everyone and welcome back to Agricola PH. And yeah, this is the fourth question that I'm going to discuss to you guys on how to compute this question. This I get it from the UPLD booklet, and I'm going to teach you on how to compute this kind of problem question. So yeah, if you did not watch yet yung mga item 1 to 3 natin, you can check our YouTube channel. We have Agricola PH and also Data Ninsikap Academy. You can watch those videos. They are available. Available lang po pala siya sa Agricola PH na YouTube channel. And we have also some of the available videos, not just this one, yung mga like actual discussion talaga. Ayan. So, yeah. Without much further ado, let's go ahead and compute this one. So by the way, I already discussed to you what's fewer than 3G and how this related to carbifuran active ingredient. Okay, for you also to know how this pesticides how to use these pesticides. Okay, so number 4, if 33.3 kilogram fewer than 3G had been used, past tense tapos na, and it has 30 gram carbofuran active ingredient per kilogram product, how many kilograms of carbofuran was applied? So tinatanong ngayon kung ilan bang kilograms. So it is talking about how many kilograms of carbofuran was applied. Kasi past tense, ibig sabihin tapos na. Meaning, itong question na to is nag-a-ask po siya kung ilang carbofuran na active ingredient is actually applied po nung ginamit natin yung 33.3 kilogram of fewer than 3G. So it tells us na that each kilogram of furan, it contains 30 grams of carbofuran. Okay? So each of that, it contains 30 grams of carbofuran. So to find the total amount of carbofuran applied, so first we are going to check what's the given. Ano ba yung given na nakalagay dito? So, what are the given? We have 33.3 kilogram fewer than 3G na ginamit, okay, has been used. And we have each kilogram contains 30 grams of carbofuran bawat isa. And we are also being asked how many kilograms of carbofuran were applied. So, ilang carbofuran ang in-apply. So, in order to get this one, we need to find the total grams of carbofuran. So first is we are going to have 33.3 kilogram, okay, of fewer than 3G. So ita times natin siya ngayon sa 30 grams kasi per nga, di ba? Bawat isa. So 30 grams per kilogram. So para ma-cancel out natin, yan. So to get the one, so cancel out natin to. So that will give you 999 kilogram. Grams pala, that's grams. Okay, 999 grams. So, hindi pa siya umabot ng 1,000, right? So, what we're going to do now is to convert grams to kilograms. So, i-convert natin to siya to kilograms. So, we are going to convert it. So, we have 999, okay? 999 divide natin siya sa 1,000. Okay? So, kasi nga, kailangan natin makakuha ng kilogram. So, in short, in 1 kilogram, there are 10,000 grams. Okay? So, parang this one is short na siya, direct na siya. So, in 1 kilogram, there are 1,000 grams. So, now, we are going to compute it. So, na-cancel out na dito yung grams. So, ang iwan na lang is kilogram. So, that will give you 0.999 kilograms. So, since yung 0.999 is kilograms is not actually in the choices or in the options, right? 0.5, 5, 1, and 10. So, wala siya, right? So, what we're going to do is to round them to rounded to one decimal place. So, it's instead of saying 0.999 kilograms, so magiging 1, or that will give you 1 kilogram. So the correct answer is letter C, 1 kilogram. So, ganyan lang po siya ka-simpleng sagutin. Okay? So, this is, if you understand this, you can also share this video or you can comment down below kung paano nyo rin sagutin if you have other way to answer this one. But for me, this is the easiest and the simplest way to answer this type of question. Again, thank you very much for watching and see you on the next video, and bye bye for now.